Hello children, welcome back. I hope you all are safe at your home. Let us begin our day with the thought for the day. So today's thought is dream big, work hard. Now in second unit, we did not discuss about chapter number 16, write your own story. So in today's session, let us see how we can imagine and we can think about writing our own story. So please be ready with page number 39. It is chapter number 16. Write your own story. Please be ready with your textbooks. Though it is a group activity, but still we can discuss. And in Diwali vacation, you might meet your cousins, you might meet your friends whom you have not met since many days, and you all can sit together, or even on group call, video call, you can chat with your friends and you can discuss, and together in the group you can surely write your own story. So page number 39, form groups of 5. You can have group of 6, you can have group of 7, that is absolutely no issue. Look at the chart given on pages 40 and 41. On the next page, the charts are given. We will discuss about that. First, let us see what are further instructions. From column A, one person chooses any 5 characters. From column B, let us keep the chart open so it will be better for us. Now, as you can see, if you turn the page for a minute, column A, characters. Column B is characteristics. Column C is story type. Column D is time. And column E is about places. Now so many characters, options you have: magician, schoolgirl, schoolboy, mouse, thief, soldier, farmer, dinosaur, merchant, king, queen, hawker, pilot, acrobat, elf, neighbor, detective, robo, a superhero, scientist, dog. So you can choose few characters and then these are the characteristics, or you can say in short these are adjectives, descriptions: brave, coward, wicked, kind, weak, bullying, that is a person who always tries to mock others down, who is always very, who always wants to be over above all. Bullying, nosy, forgetful, very intelligent, scholar, strong, these are all describing words. So you can select how is your main character. You can allot any characteristic. Your main character, for example, if your main character is magician, he can be wicked. Or if your main character is the farmer, he can be helpful, he can be loyal, he can be honest too, right? Then in column 3, you have to choose the story type. You wish to write a fairy tale, or you wish to write a fantasy, mystery, adventure, or a normal story. You can even choose a success story, that is a real story, by keeping the characters in mind. Science fiction, tragic, I would suggest you don't go for anything that is unhappy. Already year 2020 has brought so many bad news, so we don't want further bad news. Let us go for funny or success stories will always be better, because these are all real stories and these stories really motivate us. Then time, this is also an interesting part. In the time of cavemen, that will be thousands of years back, once upon a time, no particular time span, few years back, 20 years ago, now, or if you want, if you are going for a science fiction, then your story might happen 20 years after the date. That is, your story belongs to 2050, isn't it? Or the time when dinosaurs lived on Earth, that will be again long back. So it's up to you which type of which time you want to present in your story. Then places. It can be your city, another planet. That is all very interesting if you are going for a science fiction in a far away land. That is away from India. It can be anywhere on the globe. In a desert, forest, hill fort, island, city, space, or a small kingdom. But please remember, these elements are very important. Good descriptions. You will need adjectives. In column B, characteristics are already given, but you can add good descriptions of your own. Events and actions. It should be interesting so that the reader should be awaiting what will happen next, what will happen next. I'm really eager to read the story. It should be like that. Dialogues and conversation and also monologues if you like. Dialogues, you are well aware what is a dialogue. It is always conversation between two. That's why die. Conversations, it can be amongst more than two people. Monologue, that is only one person is speaking, only the audience is able to hear. And there should be always surprises as you watch television shows or as you watch movies, science fiction. You must be reading various books in this time, leisure time. So there should be always surprises for the readers. Then only we are eager to read what is going to happen next. Please share your story with other groups. So this is how you can make your story. So basic requisite is please form a group of your friends and try to discuss your ideas, and then you can write your own stories, and once your story is ready you can share in your different groups. You can share it with your friends, and if you wish to show me, you can send your story to me on my WhatsApp number. I will be really happy to read the stories written by you. So along with the studies, try to write your own stories using these various characters, these characteristics, these types, and these places, and you can add your own imaginations too. These are just the guidelines. So I hope you all write your own story. This is all for today. We will discuss about Unit 3 in the next period. Till then, stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.